Hey everybody, this is Rob Vegas. I'm checking in from Melbourne, Australia, of course, with another awesome episode of Assemble the Troops. And it's a bit of a special episode today because it was brought to my attention we've been assembling the troops for 2 years now. So back in the old dark dim ages of 2020, we started assembling the troops with the Saw Viper. And I tell you what, it's been a bit of a trip since then. What we're going to do today is assemble some troops as part of the 2 year celebration. So get on board. We're going to head on over to the old Rob Vegas Technology Center and we're going back to the past as per another YouTube channel. And we're going to check out some Saw Vipers and get them assembled because they're all wibbly and we can't have that on my watch. Let's assemble those troops and let's celebrate 2 years of your favorite show. Let's roll. Okay, so we've made it on over to the old Rob Vegas Technology Center, and for some reason, don't ask, I've got a lot of Saw Vipers. So this is my original guy. We had him on the show, I think about 10 days ago. So that's cool. He's got that unfortunate crotch injury, but that's alright. He's the original one. We did file card frenzy on him. But his buddies, look at this. He's all wibbly. That's not going to cut it. And this guy's even worse. So what better way to celebrate or commiserate a bit of an anniversary than with some assembling of the troop. Look, that guy's going to come apart. He's knackered. All right, take two. Okay. So we've managed to get the screws out of the back of the Saw Vipers, and much like the comic book counterpart, they have been super belligerent, and we're going to put the back screws into the toxic waste because damn, that was a hell of a thing. Now I am going to take them apart, of course. Hey, here's number one. Bang, look at that. That O-ring is completely toast. And there's only one place that's gonna go. You know the drill. Boom, toxic waste. In the bin. And we don't want to cross-pollinate this toxic viper with that one, so we're going to keep him to himself, and we've got him a new O-ring. Yay. So you get the legs and there's that metal hooky bit, and we just sort of pop that on there and hope for the best. We get the waist piece and you mash it through and wrestle it around a bit, and there's a screwdriver and all your precision tools. You get the back bit of the figure, and there we go, hook that around, and this bit's always a bit wibbly wobbly and timey-wimey, and you get the front of the figure, and no, that didn't work. You get a couple of arms. You might have to mash it open with the screwdriver again. What's important, everyone, and like you probably watch my show and think it's a bit daft, but what's important is like these figures are just such an amazing, just part of my growing up, and I want to share the awesome memories that I had with them. And oh, brand new screw, so that should not be crap like the ones that we've had to get out of these guys. So if you can see what I'm doing there, boom, solid Saw Viper. Why do I have so many Saw Vipers? But yeah, you know, we just... Oh, this one sucks. Yeah, look at that, that's awful. That's not going to cut. Definitely. You know where that's going? Definitely. Toxic waste bin. Yeah, just to enjoy and have fun. As much fun as, you know, I did back in the 1980s and 1990s. And as much fun as I do have now. You know, enjoying these figures and having fun with them and repairing them, and dare I say it, when the lovely missus is out, having a bit of a battle and setting up the figures. You know, when I get some me time, if I'm not playing guitar, I'm setting up some G.I. Joes and messing around with them. And that's the mission, you know, with Assemble the Troops. Like, we just got to restore these guys and keep them in everyone's conscience, and have fun, and you know, having fun. Well, I'm not having fun at the moment, but yeah, just having fun along the way, and also sharing these cool figures. Whoa, I messed that up. Yeah, just sharing these cool figures and our collective experience with having them in our lives, and is being a part of growing up and just being awesome. And, you know, maybe not all of us are mass toy collectors and bugger. Shoot. That's probably going to be an edit, but that's what it is. Here we go. 2 years on, I'm getting worse at this. Oh, yep, there it is. But yeah, it... Bloody hell. You know, just sharing this experience and just how much fun and joy and crikey. This one's gonna make it. This one's gonna be trending on YouTube. Just crap. As I did say, the old Saw Viper was belligerent. Man, come on. Hey, we got one arm. We might have two. Yeah. I'm calling that. That's good. Let's give him a head. Yes! And a brand new screw to hold him together. So yeah, it's like a big part of growing up and having fun and just enjoying everything. And I think perhaps because of the, you know, yeah, just whatever. it's just great to get these troops assembled and share them with everyone and enjoy the fun and, go, hey man, these guys are awesome. Tell your friends and enjoy the fun. Hey, 2 years of assembled the troops. Hopefully there's another 2 years to come and a lot more troops to assemble. Hope to catch you in the next video, and cheers everybody. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, just shout it out loud. Love you. Blech. Okay, so we're back, and I'll tell you what, much like their comic book counterparts, these dudes are super belligerent, and damn, if it wasn't a mission to get these things undone. So, we take out the old back screw, a bit that holds the figure together. Hey, there we go, that one's already done, so he's cool.